we come to China Aviation Oil. Okay, now China Aviation Oil, 顾名思义, supply oil to the aviation industry in China. China side, all everybody is flying. So, one quick look on the chart. One quick look on the chart. Now, I'm not interested in what happened here because this is the COVID. So on the bounce here, I'm also not interested. What I'm interested in, after the sell-off, from here onwards, how is the chart looking? Okay, how is the chart looking? And more importantly, is it profitable? You take a look at the operating income and the earnings per share of China Aviation Oil compared to Biolytics. One look, you know this is a profitable company. Okay, Q2 may be still affected by COVID, therefore the number is low. Okay, now for your information, SGX nowadays, you only need to report half yearly earnings unless SGX finger point that company to say that you must give all 4 quarters. Otherwise, most of the company are only giving half yearly reports. Okay, half yearly report. So the last one was Q2. Q2 is Q1 and Q2. Therefore, it consists of the pandemic time. Okay, the lockdown time. Therefore, the earnings per share is down. Okay, so this one we can understand. So based on the operating earnings, it looks like this company should still make positive earnings. So let's take a look at the charts. Okay, now for a peace of mind, if you really want to trade, now this is only until Q2. We all know Q3 should be out already, the earnings by November. So for peace of mind, if you want to know the earnings, make sure you go to the SGX website and look out for the business updates. Okay, you see, one stock, a lot of work. Not just look at the chart and you decide to buy or sell. Okay, now I have tried that before. Just trade on charts. Don't care about the business, don't care about the sector, the news, the economy. It doesn't work for me. Okay, so therefore, along the years, I mutated into someone who will know what the company does, whether it will make money or not. So earnings play is a crucial, okay, sorry, I should say understanding earnings becomes a very crucial decision-making factor for me when I want to trade a particular company. Okay, so this is the CAO, China Aviation Oil. So you can see the Q3. Okay, let's see whether the Q3 earnings is out already. The business update. Because what we saw in Q2 is it is down. Let me just recap. What you saw in Q2 is it is down. So Q3 business update, we must know. Okay, what is this? Palm trees. This one is palm tree, this is palm tree, this is palm tree. This one is not. This one is apple tree, so we skip. Okay, China Aviation Oil, has it reported? This is the half yearly on July 30th. So the half yearly already out. So the Q3 business update is not out for China Aviation Oil yet. Okay, it is not out yet. So one of these days, it may come out. Okay, it may come out. So let us come back to the chart. So it's not out yet. So let's come back to the chart. So from the chart point of view, you can see that there is this uptrend developing. So uptrend developing, what we want to see is the volume spike. Okay, you can see that every time there's a volume spike, you saw a white candle, which means buying. Okay, this is a very simple way of looking at chart without the indicators. Okay, buying, and every time it's consolidating, I'm seeing low volume, which is good, healthy. So more important question is, can it go up or not, right? So after understanding the whole big picture over here, okay, wait. Let me go to the weekly chart first. Okay, weekly chart, I'm also seeing buyer in control kind of chart in China Aviation Oil, except last week, okay, we have a shooting star. Now, when you see shooting star, you see there's also a shooting star here, it will still go up. So when you see a shooting star, doesn't mean that, this stock gone case will come down, you see. Here, if you think, shooting star, see next week die. Where got die, am I? So don't worry, this is the most basic form of technical analysis. See shooting stars scared until I want to die like that, quickly run. This one is primary school kind of analysis. Don't do that. Okay, you see shooting star, it only tells you that this week got a lot of selling. Investigate further, my friends. Investigate further. So you take a look. Selling, where got selling? Right, you see the volume still lower than the candle going up. Also, basically, this is not as deadly. Okay, not as daily. So the shooting star, I give it only, just give it a rating of maybe 5/10, 6/10. So it's not as deadly. So more importantly is, can it go up? If it can go up, what am I supposed to look out for? Okay, so for China Aviation Oil, if you believe that the Q3 result is going to be satisfactory and it reflects a recovery in flying around China, because I haven't researched on whether the aviation in China has slowed or increased. So therefore, I need to do that piece of research work, okay, before I want to buy China Aviation Oil. But as what I see now, the chart itself isn't very, very convincing. Now, what I like is this little cui zai. Cui zai is Cantonese for hammer. Okay, this hammer pattern, cui zai. The green arrow tells me that it satisfies my trading criteria. Okay, it comes with a low volume, so it is like testing the seller. Nobody want to sell, so nobody want to sell. That means this China Aviation Oil has got no selling in the company. Sorry, not in the stock chart. Okay, as of now. So more importantly is, when it's going up over the next few days, we want to see increasing volume. So that is what I'm looking forward to in China Aviation Oil before I decide to buy or sell. Remember, the other thing is to do your research. Okay, go and find out whether are they flying or not. Okay, are they flying out in China? So how do we do that? Very simple. Okay, we come to this Google and then you ask, is China air travel, okay, not East China, just Google China air travel. Okay, everybody should have this ability to do research work. One, China's big 3C food, you see, 16th of October, China's big 3C full domestic traffic recovery. 大家有冇睇到啊？ Okay, so this is how you do your research work. So when you want to buy China Aviation Oil, you buy with a peace of mind. You know you have a lot of facts and data backing you up. Okay, so everybody understand this? If you understand this, give me a fireworks of likes.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel and open the bell to get the notification of our new video. Also like and follow our Facebook page.